All right, guys. So I realized in my last video that I had left someone out when I was going through all the people participating in this tournament. That's my own partner, Kyle. So I wanted to go over again why we really don't have any competition in this tournament, mainly because we have Kyle on the team. So, as many of you know, Kyle was in a rock band, and when they would go out and party at nights and go back to the hotel, he would come back and he would clean the rooms. So he knew how to party, but he would party with heart and careless and cleanliness. So we got that going for our team. He also really resembles uh, Jeff Winger from Community. So, both in sort of his looks and his mannerisms. So we got sort of the Jeff Winger quality on our team right now. And so that really kind of makes me either Troy or Abed, um, which I'm very cool with, or maybe the Dean or Chang. So, I mean, I'm cool with any of those. Then, he's just he loves Milwaukee, respects the area. He his body respects PBR so much it refuses to break it down. Thinks that it should always be left in that liquid form. So anyway, that's why we will not be defeated in this tournament. And check you later.